Hello parents. So today we are going to discuss about why the teenage mind works in the way that it does. There is a reason for it. There is a scientific reason for it. Have you ever wondered why sometimes your teenagers, they act as if they're responsible and mature and suddenly they become very impulsive and reckless and rebellious? Have you ever wondered why your teenager actually does that? Well, there is a reason for it, and like I said, it is very scientific. This entire thing is related to the development of the brain. Now, the brain develops till the mid 20s. Exactly. So, when this development is taking place, your teenager's brain is a work in progress, especially in two areas. One is the prefrontal cortex, and the second one is the limbic system. These are two areas in the brain which affects your teen a lot. Now, what are these? The prefrontal cortex is the rational thinking center of the brain. Now, this, here it is related to decision making. This part of the brain takes care of your impulse control and proper reasoning. All this is done because of this part of the brain, the prefrontal cortex. So, this is a work in progress in your teen. And the second part, which is the limbic system, this is completely related to your teen emotions. So that is the reason why they are so emotional. And this part, of the brain is responsible for emotions, and that is the reason why they are always reward seeking. And this imbalance, because this is more over here, so the emotional center takes over, and this imbalance makes your teen more emotional and reactive than logical. So the limbic system, that is the emotional center, is more prominent in your teen's brain than the prefrontal cortex, which is the rational thinking. So I hope you got the point. Now, for example, let me just give you an example. 90% of the parents, right from a very, very young, from when their children are young, they have this usual complaint that बताते नहीं है बच्चे होमवर्क कब करें, लास्ट मिनट में आके बताते हैं ये नहीं है वो नहीं है, एंड देन वी हैव टू रश टू गेट देयर होमवर्क सप्लाईज, और लास्ट मिनट में बताते हैं कि होमवर्क नहीं हुआ. वेरी कॉमन प्रॉब्लम विच ऑल ऑफ अस फेस. दिस is because of the development stages of the brain. That is the main reasons why, because this needs planning and prioritizing. That is the reason they are not being able to plan ahead and prioritize, because their brain is still work in progress. This is something which you need to understand. So the main thing is that the brain is not fully matured. So here your guidance is very, very essential. That is one thing. Emotional center, that is the limbic system of the brain, it is very, very rampant for a teen. That is why it develops faster. That is the reason why they are so moody and they are very, very reactive, right? So one part as to why your teenage brain works the way it does. I hope you have got the gist. It is just not, it is something which is scientific and not something which the teen is just doing just like that. So yes, more in the next video. See you.